Hello, this is Red Thorn. I'm not playing Lineage 2 Revolution? No. In yesterday's video, I had mentioned that I had a surprise today. It was in the mail. I have just received it about 10 minutes ago. And that surprise is this. It's a new phone. Yes, it's an iPhone. And before everybody goes crazy with their comments on iPhones, look. It's apples and oranges, okay? It's all about preference. I prefer Apple phones. Some people prefer Samsung, some people prefer the new Pocophone or the LG phones, whatever. It's about preference. It's about what the phone can do for you in your life, okay? And these phones, Apple has always been what I needed it to be for what I do in my life. So this is not technically an unboxing video, although I am going to unbox it because I am super excited about this. The video you're watching right now will be the last video I ever take on the iPhone 8. Because in a couple of days I'm going to get the trade-in and it'll be gone out of my life for good. I cannot wait. Now this thing is obviously super expensive. However, I'm in the iPhone upgrade program. So when you look at the price of a, let's see, I think it says it here on the back, if you can see that, 64 gig. The price of this is about $1,100, and that just blows people's minds. Like, why would you spend $1,100? But that's not how it works in the upgrade program. You only have to pay for 12 months, and then you can upgrade for free after 12 months of payments. Opening, and kind of failed that opening. So what do we have? We have the standard stuff, right? The booklet, and this thing is beastly. Wow, this thing is very large, and but it's not too heavy, not too bad. I have a screen protector that I will be placing on this thing, and then of course it comes with the standard charging cable, headphones that I'll never use. I know I paid $1,100 just for the phone, basically. That's crazy, right? But it is what it is. And we'll look at all this later. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how I'm going to be taking my videos with. As I mentioned before, the iPad Pro 2 that I have, the native screen recorder only renders it in the 4:3 ratio, which blows my mind. It's a 12.9 inch screen. This baby is 6.5 inches, so much smaller, right? And it's going to render it in the widescreen, the 16:9 ratio. And it looks so much better. I don't have to convert it. When you convert 4:3 to 16:9, you get that stretched out look. And it looks terrible for a video. Now, there are some cameras out there. I think they take pretty good pictures. But I didn't want to have to buy a camera, first of all, because I'm trying to play the game while holding a camera. As you see the first 4 videos, I was doing that with my iPhone 8. I'm over here in portrait mode trying to video camera the iPad Pro 2, and then I learned how to put it in I learned how to put it in landscape and it was just terrible. So these screen recorders that are out there, they're pretty good. They are not that awesome. The Apple's native screen recorder is the best one, ironically, that I could find. But again, iPad Pro puts it in 4:3, then you have to convert it, which stretches it out and looks terrible. The phones automatically put it in 16:9 for some reason. The only thing I have to do is convert it to 1080p, because I think the biggest thing that these things can do is 720p, which is still widescreen, but 1080p, less pixels, looks less pixelated also, and the videos look better. So I can't wait to test this out. I'm going to throw up a couple of test videos, probably not for anybody to see, but I'm hoping, today's Monday, I'm going to do my box opening video today. And I'm going to do it on this phone after I test the dog crap out of it. So I cannot wait. Thumbs up. I really hope this is worth the money. I really do. Thank you all for watching. That was my surprise. I'm sorry it wasn't something better.